Usage and importance of Django. Django is one of the most popular and powerful web frameworks written in Python. It is widely used by developers, startups, and large companies to create secure, scalable, and high-performance web applications. The framework follows the principle of don't repeat yourself, dry, and promotes rapid development by providing built-in features that save time and effort. Since its release in 2005, Django has gained a strong reputation in the developer community because of its simplicity, reliability, and ability to handle complex applications with ease. Ease of use and rapid development. One of the biggest advantages of Django is its simplicity. Beginners and experienced developers alike can quickly learn and start building projects. Django comes with a wide range of pre-built components such as authentication systems, admin dashboards, ORM, Object Relational Mapper, and URL routing. These built-in features reduce the need to write repetitive code and allow developers to focus on building the unique parts of their applications. This is particularly important for startups or small teams that need to create fully functional products within a short time frame. The rapid development philosophy behind Django helps in turning ideas into products much faster compared to frameworks where everything needs to be coded from scratch. This makes Django an excellent choice for prototyping as well as for building production-level applications. Security features. Security is a major concern for any web application, and Django takes it very seriously. It has strong built-in security features that protect applications from common web threats such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, cross-site request forgery, CSRF, and clickjacking. Django automatically handles password hashing and provides tools to safely manage user authentication and authorization. For developers, this means less time spent worrying about vulnerabilities and more confidence in delivering secure applications. Many companies trust Django specifically because of its track record in handling sensitive data and preventing attacks. Scalability and performance. Django is designed to handle heavy traffic and large-scale applications. It has been used by major companies such as Instagram, Pinterest, and Mozilla to serve millions of users worldwide. The framework is highly scalable, meaning it can support small applications as well as enterprise-level projects without major changes to the codebase. Django's ORM allows developers to work with databases more efficiently, and it supports multiple database backends like PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite, and Oracle. With caching mechanisms and support for third-party tools, Django applications can be optimized to deliver fast performance even under high user loads. Versatility and wide usage. Django can be used to build a wide variety of applications, ranging from content management systems and social networks to e-commerce platforms and data-driven dashboards. It is also commonly used for building RESTful APIs, which makes it a great choice for projects involving mobile apps or front-end frameworks like React and Vue.js. Because it is written in Python, Django can easily integrate with machine learning libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. This makes it highly suitable for AI-driven applications, recommendation systems, and predictive analytics platforms. The versatility of Django ensures that it remains relevant across different industries and use cases. Strong community and documentation. Another reason for Django's importance is its strong and supportive community. Developers can find tutorials, guides, and solutions to almost any problem thanks to Django's excellent documentation and active forums. The Django Software Foundation also ensures that the framework continues to be updated with new features and security patches. For newcomers, this means help is always available, and for companies, it ensures long-term reliability and support. The Django Admin Panel. One of Django's most unique features is its automatically generated admin interface. Once models are defined, Django creates a fully functional admin dashboard where administrators can add, edit, and delete data. This saves an enormous amount of development time, especially in projects where data management is essential. The admin panel can also be customized to fit specific requirements, making it useful not just for developers but also for business users who need to manage content without touching the code. Importance in modern development. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses require applications that can be built quickly, remain secure, and scale effectively as they grow. Django addresses all these needs. Its combination of rapid development, built-in features, security, and scalability makes it one of the most valuable frameworks available. Moreover, Django being open source means it is free to use, which reduces costs for individuals and organizations. Many startups choose Django because it provides enterprise-level features without licensing fees. Large companies choose it because of its reliability and proven ability to handle massive user bases. Conclusion: Django continues to play an important role in modern web development. Its focus on rapid development, strong security, scalability, and versatility makes it a preferred framework for developers and organizations worldwide. Whether it is used for small projects, educational purposes, or large-scale enterprise applications, Django provides the tools and reliability needed to succeed. With its active community and ongoing improvements, Django is not just a framework for today but also a framework for the future.